Does using an electric blanket increase the risk of heart disease?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're here to discuss an interesting topic, the potential connection between electric blankets and heart disease. It might sound surprising, but this is a question that pops up frequently. So, let's dive into the science and facts behind it.
What is an electric blanket?
First things first, let's discuss what an electric blanket is. An electric blanket is a blanket that contains integrated electrical heating wires. People use these blankets to preheat their beds or keep them warm during the night. Electric blankets have adjustable settings that allow you to control the level of warmth you desire.
Electric blankets and heart disease, is there a connection?
Now on to the question at hand. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no scientifically established link between using an electric blanket and an increased risk of heart disease. Heart disease is primarily associated with factors such as unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and diabetes. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that electric blankets are risk-free.
What are the potential risks of using electric blankets?
While electric blankets are not directly linked to heart disease, there are some potential risks associated with their use. These primarily include the risk of electrical fire, especially with improper use or malfunction, burns for those with reduced sensitivity to heat, and potential issues for pregnant women, where excessive heat exposure might have an effect on the developing fetus. Electric blankets also produce a small amount of electromagnetic field, EMF, and while the link between low-level EMF exposure and health problems is not clear, some people choose to limit their exposure as a precautionary measure.
Safe use of electric blankets.
Given these potential risks, it's important to use electric blankets safely. Here are some tips. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use. Regularly inspect the blanket for any signs of wear or damage. Don't fold the blanket tightly, as it can damage the internal wiring. Avoid using the blanket if you have reduced sensitivity to heat due to conditions like diabetes. In conclusion, while there's no established link between electric blankets and heart disease, it's always wise to be aware of the potential risks involved and use such devices safely. Remember, staying informed is key to staying healthy. I hope you found this discussion helpful, and thank you for tuning in.